Good afternoon, professors. This is Siddhant, and we are presenting a burglar alarm system as our AIA internal project. So, this is the ladder diagram which we have made. This is a latching for the master coil, and I0.2 represents an IR sensor. So, I0.0 and 0.1 are two push buttons which will turn on and turn off respectively the whole system. Now, this is the system we are presenting, which includes an IR sensor. So once we turn on the system, we can see that the master coil has been turned on, and once the IR sensor senses, the LED glows, which shows that there has been some interruption, and we can detect the burglar entering the house. And once the button is turned off again, the system gets reset. The sensor won't detect anything until and unless everything is turned on again. Thank you.